Welcome back home, our dear CEO Mr. Ash Mufareh. We have missed you and we are glad to see that you are recovering. We know your immediate family misses you and your extended family missed you. Whenever you are not around, there's a tremendous void. And that void can only be filled by you, our dear friend. OnPASSIVE is still on target. Nothing has changed. That is the beauty of OnPASSIVE. It shows the wisdom of your design of OnPASSIVE, so that no matter what happens, OnPASSIVE still marches forward. We have missed you not being at the webinars with your surprise visits. We look forward to you doing that again. OnPASSIVE was left in skillful hands with the technical staff in Hyderabad and the leadership council surrounding us in OnPASSIVE. We founders never doubted it that you would recover. We know that prayers are the most powerful thing that we can give on behalf of someone who we love. We know that you have our best interests at heart and that you will make sure that OnPASSIVE's mission continues to go forward. The technical staff and the leadership council have made sure that we continue this mission. All of us are looking forward to your first day back on the job of leading this magnificent gift of OnPASSIVE. May you and your family be safe and have long, healthy lives. John White, USA.